How to fix link direct open on browser problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you on how to fix direct open on browser problem. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Settings app on your phone. Scroll down, navigate to Apps. Scroll down and choose the option of Default Apps. At the bottom, you will find an Opening Links. Simply tap on Opening Links. And here you will see a list of apps installed on your phone. Enable the links to open in the app. Scroll to the app causing the problem. For example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any of those. Simply open the application and access the section where you need to make sure that you turn on the button for Open Supported Links. If you see an option like Do not open in this app, change it to Open in this app. Also enable the setting for open links in the app even if not installed to ensure proper redirections. Now go back and click on the link again. It should open directly in the app instead of browser. And that's it, you have successfully fixed the issue of links opening in the browser instead of the app. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.